Hi guys, finally andyan na po yung in-order ko na Huawei Band 6. This is actually my first unboxing. Marami na akong na-order na gadgets sa Lazada or Shopee, but this is the first time na naisipan kong mag-unbox. So, yun. I'll show you how it works pag kinonect sa Huawei phone, since naka Huawei phone din naman ako. And we'll also check their Freebie na Bluetooth speaker, since this is a pre-order. So yun, thank you for watching. May resibo siya. So this is the actual box. So good job for the receipt. So yeah, as you can see here, yung nakalagay dito, it says it's all-day SpO2 monitoring. It's also 1.47 inches AMOLED full view display. It also features long battery life, all-day heart rate monitoring, 96 workout modes. So for the workout modes, I think I've watched some reviews na parang 6 to 10 lang ata yung pre-installed sa watch. Another one benefit here is fast charging, scientific sleep tracking, True Sport scientific sport algorithm, water resistance 5 ATM. So yeah, as you can see yan, yung watch na gamit ko ngayon, it's actually Honor Band 5. So I was actually checking if ano yung mas maganda this time, kasi yun nga, Honor also have this watch, their version, but then again, since yung price nila is not really that far, I decided just to take this one. So let's just put it here. Yeah, sorry, this is my usual stops here kasi I'm working from home, so thank you. So yeah, ang laki nung Bluetooth speaker. I was not really expecting this one, na sobrang laki po niya. There. So yun guys, yan yung actual na unit for the Huawei Band 6 and the Bluetooth speaker. So let's go ahead and continue unboxing them. So tabi ko lang to. We'll focus on the watch first. So yun guys, let's go ahead and unbox this one. So yun. Oops, careful lang tayo. And as you can see, here's the watch. Oh, ang ganda. It's different view for me kasi sanay ako dito na maliit lang yung screen. So let's see. So yun, yung nandito is definitely yung serial number nung item natin. Okay, so charger, as you can see, it's now different kasi yung old charger is not this one. So yeah, tabi lang natin. let's see. Ito yung meron. Pero don't think na marami pa talaga dito kasi it's just yung syempre, hindi mawawala yung warranty card. And yung start guide. So it has different languages, so you can just check it out by yourself if you want to or if you know how to read or speak na different language. So now let's focus dito sa watch. Let's try to open it. Long press. Yun. Huawei. Yan guys. So yun. Setup natin siya. English. Now, download. Ayan na. So, ito yung sinasabi ko na we have to make sure na we have the health app. So, click natin yung health app. Then yan. So, since nakakonect yung Honor Band ko dito, yun, previously, we would have to add a new one. We would need to add a new one. So, enable natin yung Bluetooth. So, ayun, kaganyan nakita. Link natin, Honor Band, Huawei Band 6. Pairing. Allow. Yun, so nakita nyo yung notification asking for the pair or to pair. So just click lang natin yung check. Syempre auto download tayo sa updates over wifi para tipid sa data. So yun, nakita nyo touch to update, auto install. Okay, touch lang natin. Ayan, na-update nyo na. So here, as you can see, ito yung mga applications kung saan mo gustong ma-notify. So you have a lot of applications here that you can choose from, pero for me that's all, yung basic. So just click done and click OK. So ayan, allow health to send and view SMS messages, allow, then okay. So yun, as you can see guys, Huawei Band 6 is now connected 81%, but here it's still receiving the update. And so while waiting for this, as you can see here, these are the watch faces available. So yun, nag-update pa siya. So let's check that later on. Now for the watch faces, let's check more. Yun, daming maganda, right? So here meron ng paid like for 20 pesos. We also have one here for 99 pesos. Medyo pricey siya, this one. Yun, marami naman mapipili in the store for the watch faces, but yun, tapos na. So let's just go back and focus on the watch. Yun. Okay, so going back, ito yung watch natin. Okay, so pag nag-swipe right, it will show the heartbeat, and then here stress monitoring, one of the features. Enable weather report in the health app, so later na yan. So yan, ito yung playback ni Huawei, and another one is for yun nga, yung daily tracking. So, rings and the actual time. So, pag nag-swipe up tayo, and notifications, wala. swipe down. Ayan ba? Ay, date available. So, this is just the usual thing kapag bago yung device na nagre-request talaga siya ng update. So, since kinlik ko na, let's go ahead and just look for the update. So, babalik ako pag tapos na kasi this might take a while, I guess. So, ayun guys, welcome back. Tapos na siyang mag-update. So, let's see. Yan, 80%. Tingnan natin. Ayun. So, here you can see kapag nag-swipe down tayo, these are the options. So, first one is DND. And second is not sure ano to. Screen on time for 5 minutes. So, device will not vibrate for incoming and notifications kapag naka-DND tayo. So, click X. And then this one, gusto niya, ayun.
I'm here.
See?
I'm here.
Diba? Find my phone. Diba? Isn't it great?
I'm here.
Let's stop it. So, yun. Ayun, yun pala yung purpose nung ano na
I'm
yun.
here.
Lo. Okay. So, click mo lang pala yun. Yun yung side button. Sorry. So, yun yung another one is alarm. And then, settings for the display. Ano yung watch face na gusto mo. So, this is the default one. Yung kanina. And then, also have healthy track. Light yellow. Graffiti. This one is cool, no? We also have mask, numbers, speedometer, graphics. I think I'll go with this. Mukha siyang lively tingnan kapag ganito. So, let's go back to settings. So, for the display, you also have favorites. Kung anong gusto mo i-display dyan. And then, vibration, do not disturb, workout settings, system. So, system, ayan, yun yung mga options. So, let's see if may update pa. Wala na. So, yun. Wala na pala siya. Yun yung maganda doon. Wala na pala. Wala na kailangang update. So, next. Here is yun lang pala. Basically, yung mga information na kailangan nating malaman with this watch. So, yun. Let me know if you have any questions. You can comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, yun. First time na itatry ko siya sa aking wrist. Since, yan, different one siya. Ang suot ko lang sandali. Yan. So, yun guys. Yan. So, for me, it's a better experience kasi mas malaki yung screen compared to this one na meron ako. So, sorry masyado atang ayun, nag-focus. Yung, masyadong nakakasilaw yung wallpaper ko doon. But, yun nga, for this one, it's a good price. I mean, good item for its price. Kasi yun sa Huawei, for Honor Band 6, sa 2,300 pesos siya. And this one is for 2,599 pesos. And ito yung great deal dito actually is yung Huawei gift, which is the Bluetooth speaker. So, this one, I will upload my review and unboxing on my next YouTube video. So guys, thank you for watching and you have a great day. Bye!